This is a recording of our playbook. Download it from our website. Welcome to our whiteboard drawing, Day 2, CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX cluster installations, UCCX subscriber installation. This drawing describes how to install a Cisco UCCX 9.0.2 subscriber. This is the version that was packaged with our BE6000. Let's start with a quick overview and review. Here are the tasks for our Cisco collaboration, cluster installation and integration. On installation day, a literal day, we install our CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX clusters. Deploy all of the VMs from OVAs and attach the installation media. Install our CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX publishers. Install our CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX subscribers. Activate the services we need in the CUCM cluster when we install the IM&P and UCCX subscribers. Integrate IM&P and UCCX with CUCM when we install the IM&P and UCCX subscribers. Configure DRS for all 4 applications. Integrate CUCM and CUC with ELM. And do some final tasks, like upgrade VMware tools and configure virtual machine startup and shutdown. We'll do these installs at the same time. The UCCX pub installation should have completed. We can proceed to add AXL and CCX administrator users, activate services on CUCM, run post-installation deployment wizard, add the subscriber to the publisher, and install UCCX subscriber. We'll start at 1400. Integrating UCCX with the CUCM and launching the installations should take about 45 minutes. This is the Enterprise 20 deployment for CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX. ELM-A is co-resident with CUCM pub. The subscribers are all installed or installing. Only UCCX 1A remains. First, we add AXL and CCM administrator users. The AXL service needs to be running on CUCM pub, and we need a user with access to the service. We need a user we can assign as a UCCX administrator. Web browse to this address. Click Continue to this website. Log in using CollabAdmin, the application username you configured during installation, and your password, which you also configured during installation. Navigate to User Management, Application User. Click Find. You could use the CollabAdmin user. We'll add a user specifically for Axle integrations. Click Add New. We added the Axle user as part of the prep for IM&P subscriber installation. This is already done. See Integrate with CUCM and install IM&P subscribers. We still need to add the UCCX administrator user. Navigate to User Management, End User. Click Find. There are no default end users, so click Add New. Add a user for UCCX administration. We added UCCX admin. Make sure the box beside Allow Control of Device from CTI is checked. Then click Save. We need to activate services on the CUCM for the UCCX integration. Now we need to start the Cisco CTI Manager service for integration with IM&P and UCCX. Why start just one service when you can start a bunch of services? We started the services we needed on CUCM pub as part of the IM&P subscriber installation. We will start all the services we need on the subscribers right now. For an HA solution with 2 servers, we deploy CUCM pub and CUCM 1B. We check the boxes beside these services on CUCM 1B and click Save. The Enterprise 20 deployment is slightly different. CUCM-1A provides our MOH-1A and CTI-1A services. CUCM-1B provides our MOH-1B and CTI-1B services. We need to activate the CTI service on CUCM-1A and CUCM-1B for integration with UCCX. While we're at it, we will start all the services we need on those servers and do the services for TFTPB as well. In the navigation drop-down box, select Cisco Unified Serviceability and click Go. Navigate to Tools, Service Activation. In the server drop-down box, select CUCM-1A and click Go. At the top of the window, you'll find the Save button and the server drop-down box indicating CUCM-1A. Check the boxes beside these services and click Save. Here is what the window looks like. Start the same services on CUCM-1B. Make sure the update operation succeeds. We'll activate the services on TFTPB as well, so this task will be complete. In the server drop-down box, select TFTPB and click Go. Check the boxes beside these services and click Save. We need to run the post-installation wizard on UCCX Pub before we add the subscriber. In order to add subscribers to the publisher, you first must run the post-installation wizard. Web browse to this address. Click Continue to this website. Log in using CollabAdmin, the application username you configured during installation, and your password, which you also configured during installation. Select the Fresh Install Radio button and click Next. Provide the values for the Unified CM server hostname, AXLadmin username, and that user's password, and click Next. We need to license the server to continue. Enterprise 20 used the demo license shipped with the BE6000 to complete the install. The real license can be added afterward. Click Browse and navigate to your license and select it. It will take a little while for the license to be validated. When it is, you can click Next to continue. Component activation will also take a few minutes. Click Next when it completes. Click Next to complete the activation. The AXL service provider is CUCM Pub at 172.20.203.61. CUCM Pub should be in the left-hand pane and the AXL user and password entered. CUCM-1A and CUCM-1B are the CTI managers we need selected for the Unified CM Telephony subsystem. Use JTAPI as the prefix and provide a password. CUCM-1A and CUCM-1B are the CTI managers we need selected for the RMCM subsystem. Use RMCM as the user ID and provide a password. Accept the defaults for the system parameters configuration. Select the language you wish to use and click Next. We went with Canadian English. Click OK to the message advising you to download and run the Cisco Unified CCX Desktop Client Configuration Tool after the setup has completed. The language update will take a few minutes. Select the UCCX admin user to be the Cisco Unified CCX administrator. Click Finish to complete the post-installation wizard. The UCCX setup should complete and the CCX engine will restart. Close your web browser. Next, we add the subscriber to UCCX Pub. We need to add UCCX 1A to UCCX Pub. Web browse to this address. Click Continue to this website. This time, log in using UCCX admin in your password. We enabled Compatibility View for the UCCX Pub. We added both the name and the IP address. Navigate to System, Server. Click Add New. The host name is UCCX1A, and we provided a description. Click Add. Now we have both servers configured on UCCX Pub and are ready to install UCCX1A. Now we install the subscriber. The only thing left to install is UCCX1A. Select UCCX1A from the inventory and open a console. Start the VM using the green arrow icon in the toolbar. UCCX1A should start. Select Yes to perform a media check. When you click inside the console, your cursor will be stuck there. Press Ctrl-Alt to free your cursor from the console. The media check will run. After a short while, the integrity of the media should be verified. The media check on Enterprise 20 ESXi-A took less than 45 seconds. Select Cisco Unified Contact Center Express and press OK. This is a new install. Press Yes. Press Proceed to perform the full installation immediately without a floppy with the platform configuration. We're not applying a patch, so select No. Select Continue to proceed with the installation without a floppy. Select the best place to live for your time zone and press OK. Auto negotiation doesn't make a lot of sense for a VM. Select Continue. Leave the MTU size alone. Press No. Cisco Unified Contact Center Express does not ask you whether you want to use DHCP. You must provide a static address. Provide the static network configuration and press OK. For Enterprise 20, our VM, UCCX1A, has IP address 172.20.203.75 with a mask of 255.255.255.0 and a default gateway of 172.20.203.5. Cisco Unified Contact Center Express does not ask you whether you want to use DNS. You must provide a configuration. Enter the primary and secondary DNS servers and domain name. For Enterprise 20, we have only one DNS server at 172.20.100.101 with the domain enterprise20.ca. Provide the Platform Administrator ID and password and press OK. The Platform Administrator has access to the console and the OS administration and disaster recovery web pages. Provide the certificate information and press OK. Unless you have a security team to provide these values, just enter something reasonable. Press No to install a subscriber. We added this server to the first node, also known as the publisher, so press OK. Press No to do the whole installation right now. Provide the name, address, and security password for the publisher, and press OK. We're not doing SMTP, so press No. The installation is good to go. Press OK. The installation should take about 45 minutes. When it completes successfully, you can log in using the platform administrator username and password. The CUCM and CUC1A subscriber installations completed while we were at lunch. The IM&P1B installation should be almost done. The UCCX 1A installation is now launched. All subscriber installations have been launched, and the IM&P and UCCX clusters have been integrated with the CUCM cluster. All publishers, the 3 CUCM subscribers, and CUC1A are installed. It's 14:45 now. Next, we'll configure DRS. Coming up next, CUCM, CUC, IM&P, and UCCX cluster installations, DRS configuration. Thanks for watching.